I posted on Instagram some ideas that you guys wanted to see at home, some other recipes, and everybody mentioned soup. So today we're making a creamy corn chowder. To get started on making our creamy corn chowder, I'm using a Le Creuset dish here on the stove because this way I can cook everything in here and serve it in the same thing. So medium to high heat, we're gonna take our chopped bacon. This is obviously optional if you want to make this completely vegetarian. You don't have to cook bacon in it, but I think it adds some delicious flavor. So I'm going to cook that first. So we've cooked our bacon, looks great. I'm going to take a slotted spoon and we're just going to remove the bacon from the dish, leaving all the bacon fat in the pan because we're going to use that to cook our onions next. So now that we've removed the bacon, we're gonna add in our garlic, our onion, our carrots, and our celery. And saute this. I'm gonna cook this for a couple minutes just to soften the veggies a little. Next, we're gonna add in our corn and our potatoes. So we have corn, you can use fresh or frozen, and our potatoes. We're gonna mix this all together with the veggies for a couple minutes. Now that we mixed all our veggies together, we're gonna add in vegetable broth. So I have 4 cups. And I'm gonna mix this so that all our veggies are in the broth. Now that it's come to a boil, we're gonna lower this heat and let it simmer for about 15-20 minutes. We want the potatoes to be nice fork tender before we add in the rest of our ingredients. So it's been about 20 minutes and I checked the potatoes. They're nice and cooked. You just wanna make sure that they are fork tender, they're nice and soft. And now we're gonna add in the rest of our ingredients. So we have a cup of heavy cream. I'm gonna stir that in. I'm gonna do a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of paprika, and a half a teaspoon of pepper. I'm gonna stir this in. And we're gonna heat this up. You know, we don't wanna bring it to a boil, but we wanna make sure that we get our soup nice and hot since we just stirred in the cream. So we're gonna turn off the heat, and now I'm gonna sprinkle my bacon on top. And some parsley. And this is ready to serve. This nice hearty soup is ready. Can't wait to dig in and try it. For this recipe and hundreds of others, check out my website at nikkigleckis.com. Let's try it. It's so hot. Delicious.